Can you dance? You reckon you can dance? You're good at dancing here. I know we're in an audience. I don't mean like dancing like. I mean like proper, like proper dancing. Okay. You think you can dance? Come here, come here. Give me can you lift this kid up for me? Come. Somebody's going to lift you up. In your Rolling Stones t-shirt. Come on. I'll lift you up. Come on. Oh, brilliant. So, hola. What's your name?
Anna.
Hi Anna, how are you? I'm Charlene. Nice to meet you. Okay, right, I love your Rolling Stones t-shirt. This is very cool. Come. Okay, we're going to dance. Is everybody going to help Anna and I dance? Yeah? You can do it? Okay, we're going to do some sexy dancing. Okay, right, with this dance. Okay, ready? Let's do it, guys. Here we go. Work it out. Okay, I need you louder. You know we've got. Woo! Life's too short. Can we hear for Anna, everybody? Come on! I'm going to return you to your parents. Here we go. Wait till we get you down. Okay? You got her? No problem. Got to make sure she goes back to the right parents. Right. Now, I'm feeling that our party coming on. Are you ready to party? Let's do it. Let's take a party with somebody else. Here we go. Here we go. Keyboards. Eddie Campbell. I need more. Okay. I tested your dancing a bit. It was okay. It was okay. But now I want to hear you singing. Okay, can you sing? It's easy singing. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, it goes like this. Are you ready? I love how you answer everything to the here we go. Okay, it's good. I need more. Oh yeah! Keep it going. Again! I want one more. Do it again. Go. Love started making sense. I always make mistakes in my expense. Love had place to see, and you're the sun that shines down upon me. Yeah. And when we are together, and when we are apart, when we are apart, there is no space in our heart. Okay, I'm gonna get some water. Hold on. I gotta say that I think you have a very good temperature here. You know that in the UK at the moment, because I don't know whether you know we're Scottish. Yeah? Are you Scottish? He's like, yes, Scottish. Okay, so in Scotland, I'll be honest, it never really gets that hot. At the moment, we have got temperatures of 35 degrees. Seriously, for a Scottish person, that is like ridiculous. That is like literally setting us on fire. So today when we came here to your beautiful country, and to your beautiful, I mean, La Corona is absolutely beautiful, I have to say. My daughter was here 6 months ago, and she came because she models, and she came to do modeling for Zara. And so she was here for 1 week, and she said it's beautiful, it's fantastic, you're going to have the best time. So, it's wonderful. Thank you for having us. Can we come back? Good. Okay, right. This is in demand. We were together, I was blown away. Just like people from a fair, and you would act like I was just a kid, like we were never gonna last. But now I've got someone who cares for me. Yeah, he wrote my name in silver sand. You know you've lost the love of your life, and you say I was the best you've ever had, because I'm in there, man. You think about the way you should have held my hand, and all the time you said you didn't understand. You never had our love in your plan. Never think you saw the rest of me, 'cause there's a side you'll never know. 'Cause love and love are not two different things. You set your sights far too low. Now I've got someone who cares for me. Yeah. You won't my name until the same. I think you know you lost the love of your life, and you said what's the best you've ever had, because I'm in there, man. You're thinking about the way you should have held my hand, and all the time you say you don't understand.
the time you said you didn't understand, 'cause you never had our love in your plan.
Okay, Akaruna, I need you to get your phones out. Put the torches on. Let's see if we can light the whole square up. People on the balconies, light your phones up. Come on. Let me see everyone. Wow. It's so beautiful. I can see you all back there. Okay, now we're going to sing. And no matter what I do not stop. You ready? It goes like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Say it. Do not stop. Say it. Okay. Now, earlier on, we had the beautiful, where's Anna? There she's there. We had the beautiful Anna come on stage and dance. And everybody, I was still looking at the audience. I was looking, and you were all still a bit self-conscious. I'm now going to give you another turn, another go at dancing, okay? Do you think you can do it? I mean, really dance? Okay, here we go. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Akaruna! I don't see you dancing. Come on.
I remember you now, just like a summer in
Are you ready to go home? No! Oh God. See, now I've got to tell you, because this is the last song. You don't want it to be the last song? Okay, I'm going to tell you a little secret, but shh, don't tell anybody else. It might not be the last song. Because we're having a good time, and you're an absolutely fantastic audience. So, if you really want us, you may be able to convince us to do another song for you, yeah? What, 2? 3? 5? Oh my God. Okay, I tell you what, we do this one first, we'll see how we go on, and then we'll see where we go from there. Let's do it, here we go. Karina, buenas noches. Gracias.